Hi, my name is Mark Lowy. I'm currently the immediate past president of the Melbourne PMI chapter, and I'm also a principal consultant for Barber Project Consulting. My PgMP journey started back in 2016. I ran the course, I did the course with Dharam. Dharam was very attentive and very supportive soon after the course. It took me some time before I went out and applied for the course, but I've applied for the certification. Dharam was instrumental in helping me achieve that process. I then went on and completed my PgMP earlier this year, and I have to say that it's been instrumental in my understanding of program management. It gives me a level of understanding that I certainly had not anticipated before I'd done the course. I'm very appreciative to Dharam for giving me that opportunity. Is that okay?